for thought of what does it mean to honor HaKadosh Baruch Hu. What does it mean in Shamayim? You know, the rabbi can tell you, and the rabbanit can tell you all you want. Oh yeah, that's Kvot Shamayim, that's Kvot Shamayim. You know, you're giving honor for Hashem, that's a big deal, that's a big deal. They can tell you all you want, but in reality, inside all of us, we have this Yetzirah that tells us, no, come on. Just go to sleep. What do you need to stay up an extra half hour to finish the shiur? No, come on. What do you need to push yourself that much? Just get to the minyan 5-10 minutes late. What's the big deal? No, come on. Why should you push yourself to stay awake? Take a nap during the shiur. You're tired. What's the big deal? Well, big deal. Hashem really cares about you out of all the people in the world. So, there were two famous tzadikot in Eretz Yisrael. Their husbands were the Gedolei Ador. And these two tzadikot were best friends. And, as you get older, you start having different conversations. You know, when you're a kid, you can't wait to grow up. You know, you can't wait to drive. You can't wait to get married. You can't wait to do things by yourself. You don't want anyone to help you. You get old, you keep looking for help. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you come over? You know, it's life changes. Conversations change as you get older. And especially as people get much older, they start seeing some of their old friends are no longer in the world. They start thinking, reflecting on themselves, and they realize, I'm not going to be here forever. So these two tzadikot had a conversation between them, and they said, listen, we've been together for 50 years together, always together, 60 years together, always together. Doing all types of chesed, tzedakah, ma'asim tovim, all types of things. But who knows when we're going to go. So let's promise each other that whoever goes to Shamayim first comes back to the one that's still here in a dream and gives a little insight what's going on. Okay. As you would have it, some time passed and one of them passed away. Excuse me that I forgot their names, but this is a very well-known real story. And some time passed after she passed away, the tears dried up, and one day she appears to her friend in a dream. And she tells her, so how is it up there? She says, it's unbelievable, Baruch Hashem, but I can tell you that they already told me about your Gan Eden. And your Gan Eden is much, much bigger than mine. Much bigger than mine. She says, what do you mean it's much bigger than yours? We always did everything together. Every tzedakah, every event, every baking challah, everything we did together. She goes, yes, we did it together, but do you remember that every time we wanted to give tzedakah to the poor people, you were always the one that went out of your way to reach out to give it to them, and I stood by you? She said, yeah. She goes, that's a big deal in Shamayim. So what do you mean? To just hand the money? To just reach out? She goes, yes, that reaching out, that extra effort, your Gan Eden and my Gan Eden are nothing alike. It's a world apart. That's what it means, Rabotai, in Shamayim, Kvot Shamayim, to honor Hashem, to honor the mitzvot, to honor the Torah. The smallest things that you can possibly think of are a big deal. But this also is on the opposite end.